Hi everybody! You might have heard this in your school that when you divide any number by 0, the answer is undefined. For example, 7 by 0 is undefined, 3 by 0 is undefined, 9 by 0 is undefined, and 0 by 0 is also undefined. Let us understand why. To begin with, what does it mean when I say 15 divided by 5? This means how many times should I add 5 to itself to get 15? So you know 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. That means you need to add 5 to itself 3 times to get 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. How much is 24 divided by 6? So you add 6 to itself 4 times to get 24. So 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. This is how you divide. Now, when we say 0 divided by 0, how many times should you add 0 to itself to get 0? Well, you can say just once. If you have just one 0, it gives you 0. But what if I add 0 to itself 2 times? 0 plus 0 is also 0, right? And 0 plus 0 plus 0 is also 0. So my answer could be 1, could be 2, could be 3, 4, 5, 6, or any other number in the word. Now, since we are unable to define if the answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or any other number in the word, we say that the answer is undefined. So 0 divided by 0 is undefined, and similarly, any number divided by 0 is also undefined.